Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best fitness affiliate programs that you can join. So the first one that you can join is called Ace Fitness. You're gonna have like 8% commission, which is like pretty huge, and then you're gonna have like 30-day cookie duration. And now when you're gonna refer people to use Ace Fitness, you can make good money. So this is the first one. The second one is a Bodybuilding.com. And you're gonna earn 5 to 15 commission, and cookie duration is 9 days. And what you can do is like cheapest way how we can buy whey protein, right? Best price protein powders, and just create videos. And then what you can do is to actually have the link in the description, and people will buy it, and then you can make money. And you're gonna have like plenty of options here that you can sell, right? So that's something you can definitely do, and that's something you can definitely create. So that's a great way how we can actually make money. And so yeah, bodybuilding.com, you can like refer or just write articles about it, and 5 to 15% commission, which is damn good. Then Bowflex, again, if you would be using these products or reviewing like treadmills or things like that, commission 7%, cookie duration 3 days. Again, another one which is pretty good. Then we have a live fitness here, and we come here to products. And if you would be using live fitness, I like the most like bodybuilding, and I'll be preferring like using that, but live fitness is good too. And then we have like TRX affiliate program, which is another 8%. Like most of them are really similar with 30 days cookie duration. So for 30 days, if someone is going to buy the product, even after 15 days after clicking on your link, you're gonna still make money. So this is a really great way how we can earn money. And you could do this too. So yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.